Now we will discuss the topic circle, and the points that is to be discussed is here: circle, radius and its diameter. Circle contains its definition to perimeter and area, segments, major or minor, and lastly sectors, that is major and minor too. Now we will discuss what is the circle. Circle is a round 2D shape. Circle is a round and 2D shape, and every point on the circumference of the circle is equally distant from a point that is center. Then the figure formed is called the circle. And radius and diameter. The point means that is center. Center and distance between the point on the circumference is called the radius. Center and the distance between center and circumference. Distance between center and circumference is called radius of the circle. Then suppose A is a point on the circumference on the boundary of the circle, and O is center. Then OA is radius, that is denoted by R. And the line joining the two points on the circumference of the circle passing through the center is called diameter. The line joining two points on the circumference of the circle or boundary of the circle passing through the center is called diameter. The point is B. Then OB is also radius like OA, and AB or BA is diameter. The whole length is diameter and the half length is radius. That's why we calculate diameter equal to radius plus radius equal to 2 radius. That's why D is equal to 2R, and this gives R equal to D by 2. Now the points to be discussed is perimeter and area. Perimeter. What is the perimeter? We will know this time. The total distance of the boundary of the circle. The total distance of the boundary of the circle is perimeter. P is equal to, that is calculated by 2 pi r. 2 pi is the formula to get the perimeter of the circle, and the area covered by the circle is calculated by pi r square, where r is radius and pi stand for 22 by 7, or anywhere in the case 3.14 is taken. Both the values of the pi is used in the math. And what if when the line passing not through the center but joining the 2 points on the boundary of the circle? This is line, suppose CD. This is a line, suppose CD is a line that joins the 2 points of the circumference of the circle but not passing through the center. This line will be called, this line is called chord. This line is called chord. This is the chord of the circle. And there are many circles that can be drawn on the circle, and the larger chord is the diameter. Larger chord is the diameter that passes through the center of the circle. Now we will discuss the segments. What is the segments? When in this case we have drawn a chord CD. We have drawn a chord CD. We see that there it divides the circle into two parts. It divides the circle into two parts, the area this and this area. This chord divides the circle into two parts. This is the major area and this is the minor area. The major area is called major segments. Major segments, and the minor area is called minor segment. Understood? Now we'll discuss the sectors. What are the sectors? In this case, O is the center of the circle and OA and OB are the two radius of the circles. We see that there are, because of these two radius, the circle is also divided into two parts because of these two radius. One is this larger part, this major part, and one is this, a smaller part. One is this, a smaller part, and one is this, the larger part. So we call these major parts major sectors, and we call this minor part minor sectors.